Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Mozilla Firefox from your PC or laptop. So to delete, firstly click on Start, then type Add or Remove. So click on Add or Remove Programs. In here type Firefox. You will see this Firefox browser. Click on it. Then click on Uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Click on Next. Click on Uninstall. Now click on Finish and close it. So like this friends, you can delete Mozilla Firefox from your PC or laptop. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.